Blerp sounds troll on streamers.
There will be a massive cooldown on creepers tomorrow. That's not real. Then I wouldn't have to do this, but because you got— No!
No!
I told you.
La mierda. ¿Qué pedo que fue eso, güey? Ay, hijo de puta. Me asustó el sonido. Se escuchó bien fuerte, güey. Me asusté.
My goodness. That's a way to wake me up. I was like, what the freak is that?
Blerp.
What? What was that noise? Oh, that was the Enderman scream noise.
You don't even care what your inventory is worth. You just want a gamba. I almost died. Was that a clip? I don't see it popping up. I thought that was a clip at first.
You're right, bro.